making a strawberry protein shake. We got strawberries. This one's giant. And this one too. Blueberries. Protein powder. And peanut butter. And milk, yeah. I forgot the milk, sorry guys. Sorry. So wish me luck.
What are you doing?
So I'm gonna make it now. Got the milk here. First, you pour the milk in according to my dad. Oh, it's spilled. That's alright. Right? Yeah. 3, 2. Blueberries. Four blueberries. Then I got powdered sugar.
Protein powder?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Different numerators and different denominators. Now I'm confused.